This is Michael Silber with Red Blizzard. This is the first in a series of tutorials introducing important features that make up Red Blizzard FX Studio. In this tutorial, we're going to cover creating a new project, saving a project, copying a project, deleting a project, opening an existing project, and utilizing the zoom features. So let's dive in by signing into Red Blizzard FX Studio. Signing in will bring you to the main menu. This menu provides you with some high-level options such as creating a new project and browsing your saved projects. You can close the main menu and open it at any time by clicking on the red icon at the top left. Clicking the first option will prompt the New Project window to open. Now you'll need to specify a title. For our purposes, let's name it My First Project. Next, you'll need to specify a duration. By default, the duration is set to 10 seconds, so let's leave it at that. Our frame rate for this project is going to be fixed at 24 frames per second. Now that we've set the title, duration, and frame rate, it's time to specify the size for our animation. You can specify a custom width and height, or utilize several preset sizes. FX Studio provides you with some common sizes for web video, banner ads, and mobile devices. An important thing to keep in mind is that sizes for mobile devices are comprised of the total screen resolutions for the device. They don't take into consideration any custom toolbars or operating system toolbars, so you'll need to take those into account when setting the size for your animation. For now, let's select portrait orientation for iPhone 3G. That resolution is 480 by 320. Now we're ready to create the new project by clicking Create New Project. This is the main area from which we see the actual animation canvas or stage. By using the zoom control feature, we can zoom in and out of the stage area, and we can also move the stage around by clicking anywhere on the main area and dragging around. To the right are the base properties for the project. These are essentially the same properties that we set in the new project window. At any time, you can change the title, the duration, or the size of your animation. You'll also notice that we have some metadata options which allow you to include the author, copyright, release date, and description of your animation. Now let's say we want to change the background color of our animation. To do that, you go to the Background tab. For now, let's go with black. You can adjust the color, but for now we're going to leave it as is. To save a project, click on the Save button at the top left. This saves the project to a database hosted by Red Blizzard, enabling you to access your projects remotely. To make a copy of your project, click on Save As and give it a different project title. By default, the word copy is appended to the original title. Once you've named your copy, click Save. If you want to delete a project, you must do so from the main menu. First, open the main menu by clicking the red icon, then click the X that shows on the project's title. When prompted, click Yes and the project will be deleted. The main menu displays the last few projects that were saved, and clicking on these is a convenient way to open an existing project. You can also open the Saved Projects window by clicking on Browse Your Saved Projects. This window displays all saved projects, and we can open one by simply clicking on it. Note that you can also delete a project from this window by clicking on the X. This is Michael Silber with Red Blizzard. To learn more about FX Studio, visit www.redblizzard.com.